You can make a lot of money on YouTube if you are willing to put in the work. According to this video, you can make over $800 a week by working just 12 hours. That's a great return on investment. But remember, you have to be willing to put in the time and effort to make it happen. The secret I am about to reveal to you now is not about how to create a YouTube account or creating a video, and not even about setting up a YouTube channel. If you want to know how to create a YouTube channel that make money like no other video, and all related, all you need to do is to comment down below and I will make a video on it. The secrets I am about to reveal to you is after you might have a fully set up YouTube channel and you are wondering how to monetize it within short periods of time. So, what the secrets is all about. I am going to show you how to drive massive amounts of traffic to your YouTube channel. This is not just any traffic, but high-quality organic and targeted traffic that comes from different countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. You can do this from anywhere in the world without any issues, and best of all, it is free. Means you are not going to pay any money or buy anything from anybody before you can do it. All you need to do, like I have said, is to watch this very video from beginning to the end. If possible, watch it 2 to 3 times before implementing the secrets. Don't skip any part of it and you will be amazed you did if you follow the step-by-step on this video. But before I start, welcome to Trendmediatech, where I teach how to make money online and related topics in a smart, simple, fast and legitimate way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online and other related topics, you will be the first to be updated and you will start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video and any other things you may want me to know, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Now let's get started. The secrets I am about to reveal to you now is all about a website that when you set it up as I will show you, your YouTube channel will grow from 0 views to thousands of views organically every day, and your subscribers will increase massively. I believed you have known the website I am about to tell you now, or even you have been using it for a long time and there was no tangible result. Don't worry, the reason is that there is a secret that so-called gurus are using that they don't want you to know. That is what you are about to learn now. The name of the website is Quora.com. Yes, that is the name of the website. I know what you come to your mind or what you are thinking right now. You may be thinking, that is it not to answer questions of people Quora.com is all about? Yes, you are right, but there are goldmine secrets that top YouTube creators don't want you to know, and that is what I am about to show you right now. So, what Quora is all about? Quora is a crowdsource question and answer platform that is reliant on an active community for content and development. Like the definition of the website said, crowdsource question and answer platform. What this means is that massive crowds are there looking or searching for one answer or other. And you know the secrets of making money, especially online, is to solve other people's problems, and as we all know, many people are there looking or searching for solutions for one thing or the other. And you can give them the solution, not one, not two, but many solutions to their problems within an hours, and you think those people will not like you and believe all what you said? Even they were ready to do whatever you ask them to do, in as much as it will provide the solution to their problems. If you want to know how to answer 30 Quora questions within an hour and convert the viewers to your YouTube viewers and subscriber, and Quora will not ban your account, leave a comment down below with your name, tell me all what you want, and I will do video on that. One thing those top creators don't want you to know is, 1. How do you get top question that when you answer them many people will follow you to your YouTube channel? 2. How to know where thousands of people are gathering together seeking an answer to a particular question. 3. The tools they were using to know top question and the question that has massive people waiting for the answer. 4. How to answer those questions correctly that will make them name you as a problem solver and started doing whatever you ask them to do. 5. How to promote your YouTube channel to them that those people and even Quora will know you are promoting your channel, since Quora don't like adding a link that will direct people from their site to another sites like YouTube. Get ready, it is all of these that I am about to reveal to you, but before I continue to show you the step-by-step guide, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video like I have said, you will be among the first people to see it and use the secrets therein before other people benefit from it. Also leave a comment for any of your concerns, opinions and questions. And I will get back to you as soon as possible. The first thing to do is to go to Quora.com and log into your account. But if you have no account, you don't need to worry. All you have to do is to go to the registration page and fill in all your details, submit the form and confirm your email address and you are good to go. But if you want me to do a video on how to register a Quora and set it up in a proper way, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Indicate everything you may want me to do and I will do a video on it. Let's continue. After login into your account, navigate to your profile picture, click on it and scroll down to where it says Ads Manager. Click on it and it will take you to a page where you will see New Campaign. Click on it, scroll down, add a campaign name and click on Traffic, then scroll down to Daily Maximum Budget and any amount you want. Just add any amount, don't worry you are not going to pay a dime, then click Continue. After clicking Continue, it will take you to another page, Add Ad Set Name. You can add any name there, then scroll down and click on Question. Then from Targeted Question click Bulk Ad and input your keyword there and click Continue. Can you see these? See the search result with up to 20 top questions. If you notice something, you will see that each question comes with total numbers of people searching for the answer to that question right now. Click on any question, and it will take you back to Quora where those massive that ask the question are waiting for anyone who can answer them. And there you are going to see those people that are searching for the answer to the question and those that follow the question and those people that have already answered the question. Click on the question and it will take you to a page where you can answer the question. All you need to do is to answer the question correctly and those massive people seeking for the answer to the question will follow you to your YouTube channel, and you what that means. I know if I don't tell you these, you will add your YouTube link with the answer you want to provide and hit post. Don't ever do that, because Quora don't like and will not tolerate that from anyone. So how will you do it that Quora will accept it? That leads us to the next step. But don't forget to subscribe to Trendmediatech and click on the notification bell, like and comment whatever topic you want me to create a video on it and I will upload it as soon as possible. After composing your answer to the question that many people are waiting to read, number 1, go to your Quora profile page and create a space related to your niches. Number 2, set everything up and add your YouTube link to your profile. Number 3, create a post within the space and add your YouTube link within the post. Number 4, create at least 4 to 6 posts within the space. And number 5, copy the space link. And number 6, go back to where you composed an answer and add the link there, and the number 7, hit post.
The trick here is that, since Quora don't like you to send people from their website to other website and they only want you to do that from within the space, when those massive people click the link and find themselves at your space, from there they will see your YouTube link and click on it and it will take them to the YouTube channel. Another trick is to copy many of the top questions you generated from Quora ads, add the answer on your space in the form of a post, add your YouTube link and people will go to your YouTube channel. The beauty of creating space is that many people will stick to your space for everything they want since they believe that solutions to their problems can found right there. Can you now see that it is possible to make $800 to $1,000 every month? All you need to do is to answer as many questions as possible as you can, repeat the system, and massive traffic will massively come to your YouTube video, and you get more views and subscribers in a short time. Like I have said, there is a tool that you can use to answer more questions in a short time. And this tool will answer the question for you. You don't need to write anything, all you need to do is copy the question, add it to the tools. and the tool will be given to you within 13 seconds. And the beauty of these tools is that it will give you many answers, but the same meaning to each question. What does that mean? All you have to do is copy a question for a massive number of people waiting for the answer on Quora and copy the rest answer and post it on your space. What that means is that, when those people land on your space and find other answers related to their question, they turn you to their only problem solver, and whatever you ask them to do, they will do it. Another suitable thing about this tool is that it is free of charge. Means you are not going to pay a dime and you will use the premium version of it. If you want me to reveal the secret tool I am talking about, don't hesitate to leave a comment about it and I will upload the video as soon as possible. Therefore, what are you waiting for, when you have nothing to lose? Take action today, and you will be amazed you did. It has been TrendmediaTech. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, like and comment whatever topic you want me to create a video on, and I will upload it as soon as possible. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.